Hey, this is it. I'm back in my hometown, Australia, back in my my old stream setup. So we got the mic, we got the green screen looking thing. My hair is looking different because it's pressed up here. That's fine. Um, just setting up. We're on Kick for the first time as well. So let's check that out. Nicholas, hello, welcome to the stream. So kick.com/techfriend apparently. I don't know, I've never streamed on Kick before, but Twitter wasn't doing too well, so now I'm on Kick. 4:20 a.m. Yo, what's good? Apparently I'm not live though. Am I live? I don't know. How the fuck does this shit work? Still figuring this out. But apparently Kick is paying their streamers like quite well. So if I figured that out, that would be great. It would be nice to be paid. Paid to stream. I don't know how that works. Okay, yes, we are live. Let's paid to stream. I don't know how that works. Okay, yes, we are live. Let's sounds pretty good. Cool. All right. Well, we'll be testing out Kick as well. To see how that goes. But yeah, we're on Kick, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, and YouTube. Sweet. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for setting up. Let's go one by one looking at these things. Kind of wanted to see, someone commented something on my AutoCode video. Can't remember what it was. That later. What about Zapier's prompt? There's like a prompt to Zap thing that Zapier released. I saw it on TikTok. Let's see if we can find that. Zapier prompt to Zap or something like that. Zap Builder. Use the AI-powered Zap Builder to generate zaps. Cool. Available in the dashboard. I think I had this problem with last time. It's like I kind of need to go into Zapier thinking something. This is the dashboard. Where is the zaps? Where are the prompts? Create zap? Could be this. Okay. What's the trigger? Let's say when I make a new TikTok video. TikTok? I don't know if this is gonna work too well. I can't find the app. Okay. Twitter. Premium. Ain't too good. Alright, looks like... Oh, this isn't kind of what I expected. That's okay. Let's just try let's try something else. Let's try... Should we find the comment on my AutoCode video? I'll do that. Let's have a quick look. AutoCode. This one. AutoCode Pro, a new AI-based way to build apps for non-engineers. You're a personal junior developer. Let's go try for free. So, new project. What kind of project do you want to build? Chrome extension is the only one. Requirements. Okay. Fetches all comments from our YouTube video. Fetch comments, extract video ID, send HTTP request to YouTube. Ooh, let's try a different one. AutoCode Pro, a new... I'll find where the comment was. Oh, maybe here. I'm looking for a way to make GPT-4 help me with my code project. If you've not tried, I found the GPT extension in VS Code. And the GPT plugin that can look into a GitHub repository. What's a GPT extension in VS Code? Should we have a look? Let me open. Wait, what is this? Let's just open Wolverine and have a look at. I'll just search GPT in this extensions menu, see what comes up. Nothing. Wait, did it actually search GPT? Uh-huh. Use GPT inside of VS Code. Use the official OpenAI API inside of VS Code. This one has the most stars. How does this work? Code GPT. Is it like kind of like Copilot? You can highlight code, identify issues. Okay, what else? Oh, you just have the chat next to it. Oh, can you also... Yes, you can also write the comment. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, but then it puts it in a new file. Seems kind of clunky. Doesn't seem as nice as GitHub Copilot. Ask Stack Overflow. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, but not cool enough for me to use it. Do you have to provide your own key? Yes, you do. Which is expected. Cool. What was this? Alright. Oh, put that in finished. GPT-engineer. I feel like this is something my community would like. Let's have a look. GPT-engineer. What is this? GPT-engineer. Specify what you want to build. The AI asks for clarification, then it builds it. GPT-engineer is made to be easy to adapt, extend, and make your own agent. I thought, oh yeah, this one got a lot of stars. I think it was like #1 on trending for a period. So, let's look into that. Let's look at their demo. One prompt generates a code base, asks clarifying questions. Open source. Okay. Let's see. How big can I make this? You can go full screen. I think the way I like to do this is hold on. Change this, yes, and then full screen. Okay. So they made a README file. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And they specify what they build. They give it a philosophy. So it goes off a README file? Okay. Oh no, here we go. Main prompt. Multiplayer snake game in browser. Here's that. The view needs to stream. Oh, and then ask clarifying questions if it's unclear. Oh, let's pause this. The game rules and mechanics. How does the snake move? All this player connections. How many players? This is really cool. If it's able to create a multiplayer snake game, that's like something that like is actually quite complex. It's very, very interesting. So then they go through and they answer all the clarifying questions. And then based on the information provided, here's a list of files, classes, and methods that I will implement. And it gives them the list of files. Now let's start with the server pi requirements for server pi. I think it's coming up with this by itself. And then it's writing the code for the server.py. Yo, we got some roses on TikTok from Nix. Thank you so much. Wow, these are a lot of roses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 roses from Nix. Thank you so much. Wow, it's just going through creating each file and just printing that out. With these files, a multiplayer snake game should be functional. The server will be managed by the game state. And now he's opened it up in VS Code. Has a look at the files. They look good, and oh, he doesn't actually run it though. All right, let's go back to my normal screen. That was really cool though. Like, this is, yeah, I don't know. Should we try it? Let's see the comments on this. Having trouble understanding the implementation of COT. Let's think step by step till we get the answer right. This looks great. Should take this to the cloud as we're doing with small dev. Oh, we looked at this the other day, small dev. That's cool. I kind of really want to try this. Let's try this out. I assume we just clone it and pip install. Yes. What's the latest release? Look at that. Did they have releases? Last week they released 0.07. What's changed? Refactoring, typos. Oh, is that the only release they have? Very cool. All right. This is really exciting. I'm gonna try it. Let's clone this. Yo, got a question on Kick. Yo, you're my first Kick viewer. What you doing? All right, we're testing out GPT-engineer, which helps you go from prompt to like a full code project. I might try to do their example as well. Let's just clone this project first from GitHub. And then I'll open it in VS Code? I don't know. I don't know if that's what I should be doing. I don't really know. Maybe we'll just keep it in this terminal for now. Okay, so GPT engineer. So you're a programmer, asks K Bear MC Yum Yum. Yes, I'm a software engineer, I guess. Programmer. Yeah, and what I normally do on this channel is investigate the new technologies, which have been mostly AI recently. So a lot of researching on cool new AI stuff. And I think a lot of my viewers are also tech based. So I'm doing a lot of like the coding AIs and stuff. We go mad on TikTok us. I always try to get an AI code base aware, but to no avail. Yes. One of the biggest limitations for sure for AI at the moment is the context length. So like trying to get it like aware of a whole code base has been quite difficult from my experience as well. There's this VS Code extension that's trying to do it. It's called Build T. But yeah, it hasn't been too good. But like just keep an eye on this one, Mad. Build T. They're trying to do this, an AI tool to help developers quickly search and understand large code bases. It's a VS Code extension, and then you like install it, and you can ask questions about a code base. So I think that's what we're both after. But yeah, from my experience, it doesn't work too well yet. No worries. But they're like very promising. Like the founders seem very smart. They're like backed by Y Combinator. It's cool stuff. Well, actually, let's just like watch this demo, so I can make a TikTok clip out of it. So yeah, it's a VS Code extension, and they've asked it, where do we handle hardware failures? So they ask a question about their code base, and then it'll bring up files within the code base and say, this is where we handle hardware failures. That says GitHub Copilot now has a sub-project team working on that. Oh, excellent. Very cool stuff. What else do you stream? Like what other content? It's mostly there's some projects I develop myself as well. If you want to see my past streams, they're all on YouTube at Techfriend. But mostly it's me investigating like software, like researching new AI software and stuff. But occasionally I do stuff like I was building my own AI tools and like extending AI tools. And prior to that, I haven't done it in a while, but I was making a MMO game similar to RuneScape. So that's what my early content was, like web game development. But yeah. Nick says, if you could improve GPT-4 in any way, what would you change? I think, yeah, context length, as I said, is one of the big limiting factors. So being able to like give it a whole code base or something. Ooh, you did a Thailand travel stream? Yeah, so I only just got back to my home city yesterday, but for the past 2 months I was traveling first in Thailand and then Europe. So yeah, Barcelona, Thailand. This one wasn't too good, so it's me trying to walk down the street, but the internet was quite bad. So, oh, it's me walking in the beach. I got Crocs. These Thailand Crocs for like $5.
The water was clear. I'd put my.
Good times. Okay, GPT-engineer. Let's get back to what we were on. Okay, so we installed it. We cloned it, sorry. And now it's saying to do pip install. So what do I use? I use conda. So like it's good practice to use virtual environments for Python. So I'm gonna try to remember how to use conda to create one. I think it's conda create GPT-engineer. Does that work? Create. Oh, I think it's create -n. That looks like it works. Bear says, "Why are you so built? Have you look yoked in those tank tops? So many small programmers who wear Crocs. Did you recently start focusing on fitness or always have?" Yeah, fitness and health has been a big like focus in my life for a while. Yo, thanks for all the gifts on TikTok, guys. Matt and Nix. Yeah, I say more so in the past like 2-3 years, but yeah, definitely. I think health is like the most important thing in any. It should be the most important thing in anyone's life. I've stopped. Like there was a period like when I first got into fitness when I was in like high school. It was like to get big because I was always quite skinny. But my focus has been less on like getting big these days, and it's more just like being healthy and being able to like not get injured and not get sick and like have energy throughout the day. All right, so I've created my virtual environment. And now it says to run this pip install. Let's see if this works. It seems like it's its own package. I'm very confused at how this works, but we'll figure it out. Whatever it's doing is clearly working. Thank you so much, Bear. Very nice comments. How long have you been on Kick? This is my first time streaming on Kick, so it's really interesting that I got someone commenting. It's pretty nice. It seems the UI looks just like Twitch. Oh, and I got a follower. I assume that's you, Bear. Thank you so much for being my first follower. I don't know if anyone else is using Kick, but seems like they might take Twitch down. Matt's got to go. No worries. Thank you, Matt, for the nice comments. Could not install packages. Permission denied. God damn it. What if I do sudo? It's not good practice. Or pip3? No. Captain Capri talks, bro, I'm getting in coding and I like Python completely as a beginner. Can I be self-taught? Definitely. I think self-taught programming is like the best way to go, for sure. Oh, I can't run sudo on Windows, of course. K-Bear says, I'm a Twitch boy. This is my first time browsing Kick. Oh. Twitch streamers I follow keep streaming here. Yeah, it seems like people are moving from Twitch. It seems like Twitch doesn't treat their streamers very well, and Kick is apparently going to be paying all their streamers, which I really doubt. Like, it doesn't seem very feasible to pay everyone, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Dude, what the hell is this error? And ChatGPT it. Was it because of my pip version? If you want to use Python 3, you should use pip 3. Alright, let's try pip 3. They're telling me that I can learn with the resources on the internet then if I'm good enough. Yes, definitely. You can get a job? Yes, definitely. I'm mostly self-taught. I think most programmers are self-taught. Just because it's really hard to find like a good teacher that for programming. Like all good programmers like have jobs. Like hardly any good programmers are like teaching in a school or university. So it's like we're all pretty much self-taught. You just learn by doing and etc. No problem, Captain. Still got the same error here. This is so stupid. How did I do pip install before? Do I have a Python? No, I do have a Python. Okay, let's try something. How do I exit this? We go Python m pip install. Is that a thing? I think that's a thing. Nope. Wait, oh, this is a different error. The system cannot find the file python scripts.env. .env delete me. This, dude. Dash user. Your travel blogs are great. Oh, awesome. I'm glad you liked it. Okay, where haven't done only watched the one where your shirt is in the thumbnail for great quality content. Thanks. Oh, it worked. Okay, so dash user worked. All right, great. Um, then I need to set my open API key. I'll do this off stream because I don't want to. I mean, I've done it so many times, but I don't want to leak my open API key again. Sec while I sort that out. Okay, we're back. Yo, Nix from TikTok is on Kick now too. Sick. Welcome. Okay, set my key. Run. Create an empty folder inside the repo. You can run cp projects example projects my new project. Let's open this in VS Code. Let's have a look at their structure. GPT-engineer. Okay. So they have an example. No, they don't. What? Oh, and projects, example prompt. Okay. We're writing stake in Python, MVC, components split in separate files, keyboard control. That simple? That's all you need to start a project. And then they write projects, my new project. Fill in the prompt file in your new, okay. What should we make? What should we make? Oh, whoops. Projects. I want to make a multiplayer snake as well. That seems like a fun thing. But we'll just do a really simple version. And then let's fill in the prompt in our new file. Multiplayer snake prompt. Okay. Make a snake game. Make a website? No. Snake game with JavaScript and HTML. It should run by running a HTML file. Right, let's say multiplayer snake game HTML. It should run by player 1 uses arrow keys to move, and player 2 uses WASD keys. Okay, that's it. So you can be a bit ambiguous because it asks clarifying questions, which is great. So let's do that. Yo, thanks for the hat, mustache, and donut, Nix. And thanks for coming on Kick. Okay, and then we just run GPT-engineer and the folder name. GPT-engineer, projects, multiplayer snake. Let's see what happens. Let's try and make this a bit bigger. GPT-engineer is not recognized. I think what we can do in that case is do Python 3-m. I hope this works. Python was not found. Python. Module name GPT engineer. Why is Python 3 not found? Oh, okay. What about now? So annoying. I installed it. I know what this user one does. Can you make ChatGPT Magic 8 Ball? But like I want it to work. I want it to be successfully and accurately predict the future. I don't think anyone can predict the future, but yeah, we could definitely make a like a Magic 8 Ball type thing. You don't You just ask ChatGPT. You just be like, here's what I'll just show you right now. Be like, you are a magic 8 ball. I will ask you a question about the future and you are to give an answer. Say okay when ready. Oops. All right, you ready? What should we ask it, Bear? Will I get my Python code running today? As a magic, I cannot predict individual outcomes. I mean, we could be more specific with our prompt. This didn't give a very great answer, but ask it if GPT-engineer will work. Yeah, that's pretty much what I just asked. I think with a magic able, you just pretty much wanted to say yes or no. You don't want it to give you like full explanations. If I'll ever lose my 6-pack. All right. Will I ever lose my 6-pack and get fat? The future is uncertain, but it's ultimately up to you. All right, that's better. Oh, actually, it does give. It does give Magic 8 Ball answers. Outlook uncertain. Try again later. That's actually very Magic 8 Ball like. So yeah, it's pretty good. Very good Magic 8 Ball. Bloody GPT-engineer won't run. Wait. Oh, is it a file? No, it's not. Oh wait. What if I? Is this a thing? No. No. Um. Could we try it in VS Code? Maybe that's an issue. Reflection of you in your boxers in that vid. What? What? What are you saying? Oh, in the shower faucet? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Is that the Hong Kong one? I mean the China one? I did notice that as well. A little teaser. Um oh my god, this is so annoying. I feel like it's just my environment that's actually quite bad as well. Conda activate. I don't have a PowerShell. Yo, AR, big fan. Thank you for the nice comment. Ozzy, what's your advice for a newbie but effective way? Advice for doing what? Ozzy, what are you building us, Yanis? Yanis, okay, so we discovered this tool called GPT-engineer, which can take just like a pretty vague prompt and build a whole code base off your prompt. So I'm trying that. So far I'm getting issues installing like it wants us to install it like this. But I had issues. Oh, I can install it like this. Yo, let's try this. 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 Okay. CD. Wait. Do I have the CD there? No. Okay. Pip install e dot. Ooh, this could work. Mini Donut says, when did you start using Kick? Literally today. This is my first Kick stream ever. And do they pay you? No, I don't think so. Not yet, at least. I don't know how that payment works. I'll look into it, but like I didn't even expect anyone to be commenting. So it's really, really good news so far that like people are actually commenting on Kick. Sorry for spamming over your question. No, go for it. I love interacting with the chat. It was an emergency. Oh, did you spam over a question? Did they ask a question before? Oh, when did you? Oh, and they asked it again. Thanks for asking again, Mini Donut. I actually did miss it because of the spam. Okay, what are you building? Where do you suggest me to start with my coding? I think definitely follow your interest, and if you can find a project that you want to build, and like just find like the easiest way to build that, or like try to break it down into smaller steps. Otherwise, if you want more of like a guided way to start, I think it's like Free Code Camp. This is like really good. I've heard a lot of good things about this Free Code Camp. You get a certification. It's free, and a lot of these like big companies, people get jobs from the big companies using this Free Code Camp. So yeah, look at that one. I think freecodecamp.com. Okay. All right, let's just try to use PowerShell. Um, already exists. Yo, Miles, what's up? Yes, I'm back. I'm back home. Back home. Back. I'm hopefully gonna be streaming a lot now. I'm gonna treat it like a full-time job. Yeah. Please write a script that scans all your travel vlogs for important moments, shirtless and list timestamps. Um, I think that's very niche. I don't think many people would want that. There's an AI hackathon this weekend. Oh, cool. What's it called? You should start your own business where you teach. I would be really interested and willing to pay too, says AR. Um, that's interesting. Like, I don't know if that's an interesting idea. Like, I don't know how many people would be interested for that. Like, there's so many people teaching coding online. Like, I feel like I should do something unique, no? Instead of just coding. That's why I'm like investigating all these new tools. It's like, because no one's really doing it to the same extent. Whereas if it's just basic coding, like, you could find so many people that are doing that. Vertex AI hackathons. Let's have a look. Two links. Be the first to build an AI app on Google's AI models. Oh, sick. These are the Google ones that they haven't released publicly yet. Palm 2, Generative AI Studio. That's really cool. 2 a.m. Oh, great. Back in the Australian time zone. Sick. I'll enroll. That sounds cool. Did that work? Okay, I'm enrolled. Create a join a team. Miles, we could be on a team. Yeah, yeah. Chat in the Discord. Or if anyone else wants to join teams, we can chat on my Discord. My link's in my TikTok bio. Um, AR is in it too. I'll put a link. Who wants to make a team for the AI hackathon this weekend? All right. Sounds like fun. Miss Bear says, does Kick have a channel point rewards? I have no idea. Should we look into it? Kick pay streamers. Kick creator program. Kick creator program. Apparently you get 95% of your subscriber revenue and 100% of on-site non-third party donations, which is amazing. Take into account number of hours you stream, your average viewers, etc. Okay, so it seems like you need to be part of their creator program first. And I don't know how to apply for that. But I don't know, I guess it's something I can look at later. Yo, thanks to my first followers, K-Bear and Mini Donut. Yo, why are you pink? That's cool. By the way, nice build you got. Is that to Miles? Oh, you get to pick? You get to pick your color? Yeah, I don't know how the oh, here we go. Path to affiliate. Once you reach affiliate, your subs will be enabled. Okay, so I need 75 followers and I need to stream for 5 hours. And then for verification, I think that's just to get the thing. I don't know if this is the creator program, but I feel like it's the path to it. Okay. 75 viewers. I feel like that might be hard to get. Oh, to monetize, I need 20 subs. Damn, that might be hard too. I can definitely do the time, put the time in. I'm gonna be going hard on. Oh, you didn't pick it. It was just given. I'm gonna be going hard on streaming in the next like few weeks. I'm gonna be streaming at least every other day. I hope, not including weekends. Maybe even twice a day. I feel like today I might do 2 streams. It's like 10 a.m. right now, and I feel like I'll do another stream tonight in like 12 hours just to get like both time zones and get the content. But yeah, damn, I'm having issues with this. We're just installing this thing globally. Like, oh, finally, it seems to. No, actually, no. The error comes at the end. Can't get. Where am I at? I'm in Australia. At the moment, Canberra, Australia. Oh, it worked. It worked. Okay. Okay. What was the? I might need to set this. Give me a sec, guys. Um, I think I set my API key. GPT-engineer. Oh my god. GPT-engineer projects multiplayer snake. Oh yes, it's working. Finally. All right. So this is my prompt. Make a multiplayer snake game with JavaScript and HTML. It should run by running a HTML file. Player 1 uses arrow keys to move, and player 2 uses WASD keys. I ran GPT-engineer, and it asked some clarifying questions. K-Bear says you have 18,000 TikTok followers. This man an influencer for real. Yeah, that's where all my followers are at. But like, YouTube, I still don't even have 200 subs. Instagram, I don't. I just made the new Techfriend account, but I don't even have like 50 subs. Kick, I have two followers now. Thanks, guys. And yeah, it's still very early days on other platforms, but yeah, TikTok has been great to me. Thank you so much for everyone on TikTok. Installing is 90% of the battle. Only for Python. If it's JavaScript, it's so easy to install the npm modules for me, I found. Okay, let's see what the clarification questions are. Are there any specific design requirements for the game? Let me know which question you would like me to seek clarification on. Answer in text or C to move on. Should the game have a scoring system? I don't know how to answer this. I'm going to quickly look at their demo to see how they answered the questions. So ask the questions and then... Oh. They just write it in text? Oh, they just answer the first question first. So they answer them one by one. No design requirements. Okay, and then it would be like nothing more to clarify. What? Oh shit. I didn't answer the rest of them. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now it just goes. It started already. It's like, to create a multiplayer snake game, we need the following classes, functions, and methods. Game, this class will handle logic. Snake, this will represent the snake. Food, this will represent the food. Input handler, it will listen to arrow key and west. It's created the index.js, which loads, index.html, which loads all the JavaScript files and creates a new game. And game.js, snake.js, food.js, which only has comments. This is the basic structure. You can further enhance the game by adding features such as scoring, power-ups, and more. Remember to update the code to handle collisions. Please note that the code provided is a starting point and may require additional implementation. Okay. Install Node.js and npm. Install local web server to serve the HTML file. Start the HTML. Open a node. Do you want to execute this code? No. Did the code run at all? Let me just try run it. Okay, so it how can I open this in the okay, multiplayer snake workspace index.html. If I open this, what does it look like? Completely blank file. Does it need to be served? I feel like it's a static file. It shouldn't need to be served. Let's have a look at it again. Multiplayer snake game. No, I'm going to say no. It didn't run at all. Okay, let's see if we can debug it. Please explain what was not working. Nothing is rendered. Is it okay if we store your prompts to learn? Sure. Oh, and that's it? Oh, it doesn't debug. It doesn't debug. Alright, well, let's just look at the files it made. So this is okay for the HTML file as long as game.js does something, creates all the stuff, which it kind of does here. Get element container ID constructor. So do they call the constructor here? Should we try something simpler? Okay, game container. Yes, but they don't actually create. All right. Let's just. Oh no, there is game container. Okay. So game container. Then it creates a canvas. And it appends the canvas to the game container. That's good. Creates a new snake, a new food. If we open up snake.js. Oh, this is just boilerplate. Of course it doesn't do anything. Okay, so but this isn't bad to just like set up boilerplate, but I was actually expecting something working. Um, I might just. Should we try again? I'm gonna try it again, but like this time I'm going to actually give it proper clarification responses. How do I make this bigger? There we go. Okay. Cool. Also, I'm using GPT 3.5 because I don't have GPT-4 API access, so that's another reason why it's probably pretty shit. But yeah, let's just try this again. We'll give it better clarifying questions. The game should have scoring. Each snake can eat food to increase their score. Snake should die if collided with own body or other snake and undead and the dead snake loses the game. Game should be real time. Okay. I hope it actually writes the game code this time. No, it doesn't. See, it's just doing comments inside it instead of actually doing the code. Um, so it's, which is a good start, but I feel like it'd be so easy to just have the have the thing have it maybe it's better if we do Python. Let's try Python. I'm gonna delete these two. And oh yeah, delete these. Probably just done that. Or how about we don't even say Python? Alright, let's try that again. Oh shit. Um okay. Oh wow. Big error this time. What's the error? No API key provided. One sec. Session dependent. Alright. Oops. Doxed my API key again. No API. What's the error this time? Please press your prompt in the prompt file. I did. Oh, it's in the wrong. The hell? Hold the phone. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, it actually writes what language to use. Actually, write game logic. Game all logic, damn it. What specific logic should be implemented for the multiplayer functionality? Just movement for two separate snakes. Think more to clarify. Okay. Will it actually write all the logic? Let's see. Yo, Amogus! Good to see you. Thanks for the emoji. Cowboy emoji. Oh, see, it's actually writing the logic this time. Okay, so it seems like it's better with Python. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. In JavaScript, it was only writing comments, not actual code. So it's really good to see that we get some actual code this time in Python. I hope it renders. Or maybe it's because I told it specifically to write all the logic. Oh no, see. Here's some more sections where it doesn't actually write the code, it just gives a comment. But like 90% of the code's here, which is great. And another issue is these things are in Bash, but I'm running my stuff in, like, let's say, yes, it's not going to work because I'm not in Bash, but yeah, see, it's fine. We'll just try to run it ourselves. So it's created, wait, projects, multiplayer snake, workspace. Okay, in here, here's all the files. Set pip install pygame. And then what did we need to run? Just game.py? Oh crap, cool. I mean, it's something. It definitely doesn't work, but it's better than what we had before. Or is this Auto GPT? No, it's GPT-engineer. So, oh, did I close it? Okay, let's just search it again. GPT-engineer. This is an open source thing that helps you make a whole coding project, a whole software project just from a prompt. It asks clarifying questions and then builds it. It's still early days, but it's pretty good from what I've tested so far. Like, we've tried a bunch of different tools that promise this, and none of them are amazing, but this one's pretty good. And the cool thing is it's open source, so I'm sure a lot of people will take this and build on top of it to make it actually better. Yeah, you can see 5 hours ago it was updated. So people are actively working on this, has a lot of pull requests, and yeah, very cool stuff. I'm tempted to take it further, but for the case of entertainment, I think I'm going to leave it there. Or should we try one more thing? I feel like, no, let's try one more project. We've made it so far. Let's try get it to do something else. Does anyone have any ideas, or should I come up with a question myself? We'll copy this example prompt. So let's say, should we just make a website with HTML and JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There should be a button in the middle of the page that when clicked changes the whole page's background to red. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if it can do that. This seems simple enough that it might be able to do it. But as you know, like centering a button in CSS is an issue that people have. Yo, Louise, thank you for the comment. Hello, how are you today? Okay, so we just run this with GPT-engineer Pro. Wait, no. I don't know. We had an XC projects. Wait, oh, where are the GPT engineer projects website 1? Okay. Are there any specific requirements for the layout or design? Should the button have any specific text or styling? Should the background color change to its original color? Should the no further design required? Background should change to original. Yeah. When clicked again, website should be responsive. Oh my god. Responsive. Are there any specific browser? No browser compatibility requirements. Should the website have any other functionality? No other functionality or hosting required. Site is a static page. Go, why does it go on a new line? Site is a static page. Deadlines? It's weird how it asks that. Nothing more to clarify. All right, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yes, excellent. Script, change background color, made the CSS with display flex to center. What? No, it came up with an error? What? What's the error? Invalid argument. But it created it, right? Oh, no, it didn't. What? Should we just try run it again? I'm going to copy my feedback so I can paste it. Where is it? Here. Doesn't give an error again. Nice. I think it got further than where it broke last time. All right. Open this in File Explorer. We should have the index HTML. Hopefully if I open this, yes, excellent. It made the button. That's good. Now the moment of truth. If I press this button, will the background change? Let's see. No, it didn't. It did not. Cannot read properties of null reading add event listener. Luckily, I'm a software developer and I can fix this. I wonder, so, okay, one of the issues is I'm using GPT-3, right? So the coding isn't very good. But if it was GPT-4, maybe it'd be better. So get element by ID color button. Apparently it had issues with that. Let's see why. Color button does exist. It's probably because this code runs before the DOM is initialized. So this is a common mistake that probably would happen with most engineers. So we can just create the DOM element here, I think. How do you do that? Ask ChatGPT. JS to create button DOM element. Oh, it is dot create element. Wait, let's have a look at the CSS. How do they style it? Oh, it's just a button. That's fine. Okay, we'll just call this button. Comment that out, and I think that might work now. Let's have a look. If I open that, click it, still doesn't work. Is there error? No error this time though. Let's see what the issue is now. Why doesn't the code for the background body.style.background color equals? Is that something you can do? Body.style.background. Okay, so it's just bad code. Because I don't think you can do this. How do they do it? Body is not defined. Right, document.body. Oh, it does work. But it doesn't work. Does the click work? Oh, the listener doesn't work at all. Oh, that's because that's not even... Wait, where is the button that I created? Is it even here? No, it isn't. I wonder if this is even run. It is. Ah. Alright, I'm spending too long debugging this thing. I don't even care about it. Where is this button? Oh, I think you gotta add it to the... Hold on, I want to make this work. Spent too long trying to trying to make it work, so I might as well make it work. Or how do they add the button? Document.append child, of course. Okay, this time it'll be a different button, but no. Document.body.append child. Document.body doesn't exist. Oh, this is for the same reason. Alright, I give up. But it's a cool idea. Obviously the coding isn't good enough yet. One of those reasons is because I'm using GPT-3 and I don't have GPT-4 access yet. I wonder why. I wonder if that's something I have to apply it for. Oh, I do. Oh my god, that's so annoying. I might as well apply for it. Organization ID. What is that? Okay, it's this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I do research and post to over 18 followers on TikTok at Techfriend. Hopefully they give me access. Okay. All right, that was it. GPT engineer. I think I'm gonna wrap that up there for GPT engineer. What's next? Bardeen plugin. I can't remember what this is, but we'll find out very soon. Mini donut. I can't see your emote. This is how it comes up for me. Emote 39250. Okay, Bardeen. Let's see what that is. Bardeen. Bardeen. You know, it says I tested Bardeen, but it was actually glitchy. What even is it? Create and run automatic automations. Okay. I think everything is really glitchy. How do we... I don't know. I'm going to need to look at a tutorial. Automation now is easy as text. Save LinkedIn profiles to a sheets and notify Alex. Oh, that's pretty cool. I feel like it'll want me to log in, no? There's no TikTok either. Use Bardeen to get all the profiles that liked my latest LinkedIn post and save it to a Google Sheet. There's no way it's going to be able to do this. I need to like authenticate with Google, with LinkedIn. This is just impossible. Let's just see what it does. The Chrome extension as well. Oh, cool. That would be a lot easier. I just want to see what it does. I'll probably have to put this on the back burner, to be honest. It's created a playbook. Okay. You can view or execute this playbook here. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. So it links you to the web app. All of these like plugins are just like an interface for the web apps. Try it. No, it's gonna make me sign up, I bet. Oh no, it says get the plugin. So it's still a Chrome extension that you have to use. Okay, let's try it. I'll add it. I'll give it a go. Okay, we got Bardeen Chrome extension. I have to sign up. That's fine. Yo, Noha Del Gary, thank you for the like on the stream on TikTok. Okay. Okay, it's loading the playbook. Hello, user. Connect Google Sheet. Okay. This is actually quite seamless. I like it. Good. Like I didn't have to go and like open my new tab and stuff. Yo, Noha, thanks for sharing the live. Appreciate that. Sheet name. Okay, I can make a new sheet name. Bardeen test. Okay. Run playbook. Enter a page to scrape on LinkedIn. Okay. Let's go get my latest post. This one. Wonder if that'll work. Wait, is there a way to share this? Link to post. Okay. This. Whoa. What happened? Did it close? Oh, it closed. Oh, it's running it? No. I don't know what happened. Let's try again. Scraper returned no results. Scraper hasn't returned any data. Make sure. Page is right. Oh, it's because I closed it. Oh, whoops. It opened a new tab to do it, and I closed it because I thought it was like a pop-up or something. Okay. Did not select any. Damn it. Alright, let's try this one more time. Try it. Bardeen test. Put this and now press enter. It opens a new tab. I'm not going to press anything this time. What's it going to do now? It's going to say it's not working. Okay. That's okay. Oh, Notion is good.
You can launch Bardeen by clicking on the extension icon or with the shortcut, Option B. Welcome to Bardeen, the browser extension that will
Mini Donut says they got the same error. Yeah. All right, let's try running it from the extension button. From here. Okay. What do you want to do? Get all video titles on this page. No, oh, I can't work like that. I was hoping it could like just see the current page I'm on and like do a scrape thing. Scraper? New scraper template. Ooh, they have a TikTok profile. This is cool. Oh, you can scrape all these things. That's very cool. Okay. Oh, but there's. That's cool. Look. Oh, and then it's got all my things. That's very nice. I do like that. Oh, can we get individual videos? Oh, you get both. Video to title, video to text. Save template. New action. Open. Oh, is there a click? New action. Click. Click. No. That's cool though. So if I go on someone else's page, like what is this? There's like this AI guy that I follow. AI centric clips. And I can run that playbook now and it'll give me his first video. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So like I could keep a tab on other AI people's stuff. That was a very easy way to set up a scraper though. I really like that. I really like that Chrome extension. That's Bardeen, the plugin for Bardeen. Very cool. Okay. What's next? Framer.com. Let's have a look at that. Framer.com. I'm gonna quickly check these notifications. More likes on my post. And Noah Tatash is inviting me to connect. Sure. Okay, Framer. Start your dream site with AI, zero code, maximum speed. Oh, sweet. We can make a website. Um, a portfolio page for a software engineer. Boom. Will it actually do something? Of course, I have to sign up. That's expected. Recommend the team. Skip. Whoa, it's creating a website. Codemaster. Unleash the programming beast. Wow, it looks terrible, but the fact that it did something is nice. It's using a lot of emojis, which is cool. Like this whole thing is an emoji background of rockets and laptops. Codemaster, tablet, mobile. Very cool. And can we play it? What do we do? What does play do? Oh, you get a free domain? You can publish. That's pretty cool though. Like just going from like obviously they could work on how it looks, but yeah, very cool. All right. Software engineer portfolio dash 567 dash framer dot app. We went from prompt to website in less than 10 minutes. I asked for a software engineer portfolio, and this is it. It's just a template, obviously, but it's pretty good. So I could extend this now, right? I could go back to the edit mode, and I can change Codemaster to at Techfriend, right? And boom, it updates it for every view. Excellent. The best tech content creator ever. And then I can publish that, update, and it's that easy. I have a new website at Techfriend. That's actually really cool. I really enjoyed that. Um, if you guys remember my Dora AI video, they pretty much do this, but they promise the world. So I prefer, like, obviously, it's a shame because these guys actually have a working demo, but they probably have way less signups because they didn't promise the world and they're actually realistic. So yeah, shouts out to them. Framer.com, guys, if you guys want to make a quick website just based off a prompt. What was that? Can we create a new one? How easy is it to create a new website? And like, how similar will it look? No, I'll ask, is that for free? Yes, very free. You just have to sign up with Google or whatever. I didn't pay any money for this. Um, okay, so you can have a really detailed prompt. Let's try a landing page for a web app that creates timestamps for YouTube videos. It should have testimonials of people reviewing the app and saying they use it daily. Let's see. Oh, you can change the color palette with just one click. Wow, this looks way better than my first one. And you can change the fonts. Wow. No, is it searchable? What do you mean by that? Like, do you mean is it indexed by Google? I'm sure you could export it and have it indexed by Google for sure. Timestamp creator, yes. Publish. This is cool. Let's see, did it make the testimonials? It did. Look, these are the testimonials. I've been using Timestamp Creator for months, and I can't imagine going back to menu creating timestamps. Wow, guys, this is so cool. And can we? Oh, damn! I missed the. They had the way you could change the. Here we go. Wait, can we select all? And you can change the theme. No. Oh, I clicked away. Now I can't change the. That's a shame. The color scheme. Should we try it again? It's just so fast as well. Oh, you can change a template or use a template. What's the site? Yes, framer.com, guys. Framer.com. Let's create a new one. It was so fast. That was really cool. Even got a CMS option. How do we go back? I don't know how to go back. Oh, just by pressing back. Okay. Let's create a new one. I wonder if we can select the layout first. No, the theme. No. Why you can insert sections. How's it going? Asked K-Bear. Yeah, it's great. We're testing out framer.com, which creates you a whole website and you can publish it with like in under 10 minutes. So I'm gonna say landing page for a content creator named Techfriend. It should link to all their socials like TikTok and YouTube at Techfriend with the handle Techfriend. Also a banner saying they are on kick.com. Alright, you guys ready for this? Less than 5 minutes. Boom. Is it free? Yes, it's free. Mini Donut. Mini Donut says, have you tested Gamma AI? It's really cool and similar to Framer. If you haven't tested it, you should check it out. Oh, okay. I'll definitely check out Gamma AI next. Okay, so this is using the same template that we did for the first one, but wow, very cool. See? I wonder if these links work. Alright, now before I publish this, we can check out the different palettes. With just one click, you can change the color scheme. How cool is that, guys? All these color schemes, you can also change the font with just one click. Very awesome. Very cool. I like this font. And yeah. And you can press regenerate with just one button. Boom. If you didn't like this template, oh, you're asking too much. Damn, okay, they limited us, but that's okay. And then you can just publish it with one click. And then you have, boom, you have your domain. Techfriend socials banner.framer.ai. Has these platforms. Okay, it hasn't actually linked these, but it'll be really easy to link these in the editor. Very cool. I really like this. No, it says yes. Is it searchable? So, I don't know. Let's have a look at. Yeah, it probably is indexed, Noah, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know if they index it or not. But if they don't, you could definitely just export it and host it yourself as well. I don't know if there's any settings on whether or not you want your site to be like indexed by Google. Oh, you can add Google Analytics. So it probably is indexed by default. All right, let's try Gamma AI. Thanks to Donut's suggestion. Oh, Gamma app? Oh, I think I have tried this. It's in my search. Yep, Oh, this is the one that makes pitch decks and stuff. Yes, yes. I have tried this, but it won't hurt trying it again. Gamma.app, is that what you said? Oh, you said Gamma AI. Let's Google that just to make sure it's not something else. It is the same thing. Oh, wait, no. Unless you meant this, which I have also clicked before, but I doubt you've meant this. Did you mean this? Gamma app new with AI. What can we do? Text to deck. Should we make? Yeah, so it makes slide decks. What's this guided one? Whoa, what would you like to create? Oh no, you can make a web page. I want a web page to be about game app. What is a game app? Um, content creator landing page. Market content creator. Community page. I don't know what I want to make, to be honest. Welcome to our content creator. Wait, okay, let's try it. Page about a content, technology content creator named Techfriend. This is an outline, introduction to Techfriend, Techfriend's approach to technology content creation. Yeah, sure. This is a slide deck. Oh no, it's a website. Is it? I think so. Pick a theme. I do. Ooh, this one looks kind of tech-like. Let's go with that one. Discover Techfriend, a trailblazing technology content creator. This definitely looks more modern, like with the gradient font and stuff. Very cool. So I think I'm starting to see a pattern with all these demos. It's like they just use the same templates, but they get AI to create the text. They just use like OpenAI to create the text based off literally the prompt that you put in. And you can edit the themes as well. So yeah, that is a really cool point, is being able to edit it. Yeah, you could do it with all of those. Do they let you present it though? I mean, publish it. This is the published link. Let's see. Oh, let's see it in the incognito window. Like, I want to see if it, like, without the edit buttons, what does it look like? Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. It pretty much looks like a pretty good website. Definitely a really good way to make like a quick landing page, quick website. Like, just like this. How long did that take? Like, not even 10 minutes. It's excellent. So yeah, that was Gamma app. I think Gamma app is really good for slide decks, but it can also do a website because it's very similar. All right, what was I gonna do next? Fenaki, text to video. Let's check that out. Fenaki. Oh yes, this is another text to video that looked pretty good. Like, we did Runway 2 recently, and that one was awesome. But this is Fenaki. Does it have a demo, or is it just a paper? A 2-minute story was created with a long sequence of prompts. Wow. Wow. That's so cool. But it's just a paper. There's no demo? Demo. There's no demo. What's this? Make a video. From Meta. It's also just a no demo. Oh, we can sign up for the waitlist. There's also a text to video GPT extension. Oh, yeah, let's have a look. Text to video. Text to app generator. Turn your app idea into an. Oh, shit. Oh, look at this. This one creates a website too. Let's create a website. What's your business name? Techfriend. What's your website about? Dark. Techno gray. It's my style. Sign up. Sorry, every time I do these streams, I end up signing up for like 10 different things. Oh, you gotta pay? If I start your free trial, do they take a credit card? Looks like they take PayPal. Sorry guys, not today. Not today. Okay, finicky, something we can't do. We looked at built also. Should we look at them again? We could look at built again. I might do that next stream. Ugh, I'm getting kind of tired. It's almost lunchtime here, but I will be doing another stream tonight. Hopefully in about 8 hours from now. So I don't know if you guys are awake then. Yeah, I will be streaming then. I'm trying to capture as many time zones as I can. But yeah, thank everyone for watching. Shout out to Mini Donut, Nix, Mad, and K Bear for interacting the most. Really appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'll see whoever's online in 8 hours. Otherwise, maybe tomorrow or